In this video, I would like to show how you can connect this Nokia G22 to VPN. So first step is to download and install the free Play Store app called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly do that. So for some reason the app does not want to be installed, or rather not the app but Play Store, but yeah, all it took is to restart the installation. So now we will actually wait for app to be downloaded. Once you gotta obviously launch it, then tap the green continue button. Onwards, skip this ad. And then, in order to finally connect your device to VPN, you gotta tap at the caret icon, then accept the connection request, and wait a few seconds. Now, once we are connected to VPN, you can change the server, country, or even the city that you are connected to, like that. And finally, if you would like to disconnect yourself from VPN, simply tap at the cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.